Hello guys, and welcome to a new video of Digit Fox Word Informatics. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to visualize 3D geodata and how to create a map with Excel data on it. As an example, the cells of branches in different cities are to be inserted into a map. The table provides the output data. So as you can see here on this table, we have the comparison of the turnover of several branches located in Europe, and this is of an imaginary financial group that I call XYZ. As you can see here on this table, we have on this column all the branches, so located in different parts of Europe. On this column we have the turnover in 2016, and on this column here we have the turnover of 2017. In this column, as you can see, we have the increase and decreases on annual basis. So let me just break it down quick for you. So the Amsterdam branch in 2016 had a turnover of 200,000 euros, and in 2017 the same branch had a turnover of 300,000 euros. So there was an increase of 100,000 euros, and so on. So location related data can also be linked to maps in Excel 2016, as I'm going to show you. So all you have to do is go to the Insert tab, and on the area where it says Charts, there is a small area called Tours, where you can find the 3D map. If you don't have this option on Excel, that means that you need to activate it. All you have to do to activate it is go to Files, go to Options, and in Options you can go to Add-ins, click on Add-ins, scrolling down, and here to Manage you have to select COM Add-ins. Press Go, and in here you will see this window open, and you will be able then to select Microsoft Power Map for Excel if it's not selected. So in this case it's selected, and I'm going to confirm with OK. That's all you have to do if you don't have this function available. Alright. So to do this, you use the integrated Power Map tool, which recognizes geographical coordinate as well as city and country names. You therefore need a table with geographical information as a starting point. In this case, we just stated the different cities in Europe. However, this can be coordinates, cities, postcodes, countries, or regions. Otherwise, the same rules apply to table as a pivot tables. Very important, there must be a heading line, and this must only include a single line. All values within the column to be evaluated must be of the same data type. So let's go here on 3D map. Before we select 3D maps, it is very important that we are going to select all the area where all data is included. You can see here. Now we can go to 3D maps, open 3D maps. We're going to choose a new tour. and as you can see, a second interface on Excel will be opened. On this interface, as you can see here, you have the possibility to choose different options from Play Tour, which we're gonna see in a few minutes. Create a video, a new scene, choose different themes, colors, and so on. The type of map label, if you want to have a flat map or find a location, custom regions, and so on. On this side, as you can see here, there are these commands which allow us to move up or down, right or left. This also enables us to change the degree of inclination of the map, and I'm going to show you this also later in this video. Over here we can zoom the map, zoom in or zoom out, and so on. So let's start check our data from our Excel table, which has been projected into this 3D map, as you can see. So I'm gonna choose the flat map. Perhaps I would like to have more information, also see the names of the cities. And as you can see here, the blue points represents where all the branches are. On the right side, as you can see here, you have the possibility to select the type of data, and in here you can add, for instance, the range. So I would like to see the turnover of the branches in 2016, and I'm going to select this, and here we go. You can see the 2016 data will be projected into this 3D map, as you can see. We can change then the grade of inclination. Here we go. I can also add the range for 2017 by choosing here, but I would like to have a parallel comparison between 2016 and 2017. Therefore, I'm going to choose here the different columns. So I would like, as you can see here now on this layer, on layer 1, we have the turnover of 2016, which is represented with blue, and the turnover of 2017, which is represented with orange. So here we go, how to project Excel data into a 3D map. By using this tool on Excel, we can use this type of map also to pitch a presentation of turnover for different branches, for instance, to potential investors or clients which are interested in our services or products. Here on the left side, you can choose also if you would like to project the scene, and project this kind of scene, for instance, for a presentation. You can do it. And create a video which you can display this presentation, as you can see here. This is also another way to pitch financial results to potential investors, potential clients which are interested in our services and products, or just simply how to project data from an Excel table into a 3D map. As you can see, it's very practical. Excellent. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoy watching this video. If you like to enjoy watching this kind of videos and different topics about Excel and informatics, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Digit Fox Word Informatics is bringing every time new videos. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and see you next time. Bye from Digit Fox Word Informatics.